Firelight is here to reshape yield generation in DeFi, starting with one of the biggest tokens, XRP. With Flare Network's F-Assets Bridge, dormant assets can finally unlock their on-chain potential and enter the world of DeFi. Firelight is a liquid staking protocol designed to unlock value for XRP holders. How does this all work? We'll launch across two phases. In Phase 1, stakers deploy their assets into a Firelight curated vault. In return, they receive a liquid staking token called STXRP. They can use this token across Flare Network's DeFi ecosystem to earn rewards. They will also receive Firelight points, which is a way to track participation. Phase 2 expands to multiple tokens and vaults. Stakers secure economic services like on-chain insurance, Oracle bridges, or payment networks. This earns them fees and points, whilst contributing to new DeFi projects. With institutional-grade backing by Centaura and Flare, we're starting with XRP and rewriting the rules to scale the future of DeFi.